Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Jet Swet Kit is probably one of the most innovative and versatile tools you can add to your cleaning arsenal, designed to tackle tough messes with unparalleled efficiency. This kit isn't just about cleaning, it's about transforming how you approach grime, grease, and stubborn stains, making your life significantly easier and your living spaces remarkably cleaner. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or someone who simply wants a spotless home without the back-breaking effort, the Jet Swet Kit promises a revolutionary experience, delivering professional-level results right at your fingertips. Number 5. Jet Swet 2000 Pipe Water Stopper Kit. Introducing the Jet Swet 2000 Kit, your go-to solution for quick and efficient pipe repairs. This heavy-duty kit is designed for fast and reliable water line fixes. Tired of waiting for pipes to drain? Our innovative tool allows you to solder directly without the need for draining, saving you valuable time and effort. Crafted from the highest quality steel and aircraft aluminum, this tool is built to last. Its advanced composite material can withstand the intense heat of soldering and brazing. This kit is perfect for a range of pipe sizes, including 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. It provides a secure temporary plug for immediate repairs. Achieve fast and reliable repairs on copper and PVC water lines with this essential plumbing tool. It ensures a secure seal up to 65 psi. Experience the durability of our heavy-duty plumbing plugs. They are engineered for performance, ensuring your repairs are solid and long-lasting. What we like. This kit is designed for those who need a versatile solution for various pipe sizes. If you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional plumber tackling multiple jobs with different pipe diameters, this is your go-to. It offers the convenience of having multiple tools in one package, ensuring you're prepared for almost any situation without needing to drain the entire system. What people say. The Jet Swet Kit is a great addition to my car. It is very easy to install and use. The kit comes with everything you need to get started. Number 4. Jet Swet Tool 1 2-inch Pro Plumbing Plug. Introducing the Jet Swet Tool, your solution for plumbing repairs. It allows you to solder and glue pipes without the hassle of draining your entire water system. Gain immediate control over your plumbing work. This innovative tool is designed for efficiency and ease of use. It seamlessly integrates with your existing setup, working effectively with both full port gate and ball valves. Don't worry about pressure. It is built to withstand up to 65 pounds of working pressure, ensuring a reliable seal. Crafted from the highest quality steel and aircraft aluminum, this tool is made for durability and long-lasting performance. Make fast and efficient repairs to your water lines. It's the professional choice for quick and effective solutions. What we like. For the plumber who prioritizes speed and efficiency on every job, this tool is a game changer. If you're looking to minimize downtime and maximize the number of jobs you can complete in a day, this is the one. It allows for immediate control and soldering without the hassle of draining, making it ideal for busy professionals. What people say. This is a great product for cleaning the jets on my pool. It works very well and is easy to use. I would recommend this product to anyone who has a pool. Number 3. Jet Swet No. 75 Single Temporary Plumbing Plug Tool. Introducing the Jet Swet No. 75, your ultimate solution for easy pipe plugging. This tool makes the process effortless, saving you time and hassle. Forget about draining your entire water system. You can now solder and glue pipes with confidence, as this tool eliminates the need for complete system drainage. Crafted with a robust metal body, this tool is built for durability. Its strong construction ensures it will withstand the demands of your plumbing tasks. Designed for versatility, it's compatible with 0.75 sweat connections. This ensures it works seamlessly with various pipe types you encounter. Its space-saving design makes it incredibly easy to store and maneuver. Measuring just 18 by 6 by 1, it's the perfect addition to your toolkit. What we like. If you primarily work with 3/4 pipes and value a straightforward, durable solution, this single tool is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who appreciate robust construction and easy storage. If you need a reliable plug for common residential repairs and want a tool that's built to last and won't take up much space, consider this option. What people say. The kit is a great addition to my collection of tools, and it works perfectly for its intended purpose. I was impressed with the quality of the materials used in the Jet Swet Kit. It feels durable and well made. The design of the kit is very user-friendly, making it easy to assemble and operate even for beginners. Number 2. Jet Swet 6100 Kit. Introducing the Jet Swet 6100 Kit, the original temporary pipe plug trusted by professional plumbers for decades. It's a proven tool refined through real-world use, ensuring reliability for your plumbing needs. Make rapid repairs without waiting for water to drain. You can solder joints faster, saving valuable time and allowing you to book more jobs efficiently. Gain immediate control of live water lines by inserting it directly into the pipe. This allows you to perform repairs, including soldering, while maintaining complete control of the water flow. Eliminate outdated and messy tricks. This tool provides a clean, controlled seal without residue, instability, or the risk of clogging fixtures. Perfect for service calls, maintenance, and repairs where water cannot be shut down for extended periods. It's commonly used in homes, apartments, hotels, and commercial buildings. Stay calm, efficient, and in control during jobs. It helps you complete tasks quickly and cleanly, reinforcing your professionalism and encouraging repeat business. This comprehensive kit includes 6 tools for various pipe sizes, replacement parts, and a heavy-duty carrying case. All components, except the gasket, are guaranteed for 1 year. What we like. This is the ultimate solution for professionals who demand the best and handle a wide range of pipe sizes. If you're looking for a comprehensive, field-tested kit that covers everything from 1 to 2 pipes and comes with a durable carrying case, this is it. It eliminates the need for makeshift solutions and ensures you can tackle any repair with confidence and speed. What people say. The Jet Swet Kit is a great addition to my home gym. It's easy to set up and use, and it provides a challenging workout. I love the versatility of the Jet Swet Kit. I can use it for a variety of exercises, and it's great for targeting different muscle groups. The quality of the Jet Swet Kit is excellent. It's made of durable materials and it's built to last. Number 1. 1751 Jet Swet Replacement Gaskets Kit. Introducing the 1751 Jet Swet Replacement Gaskets Kit. This essential kit includes gaskets for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 Jet Swet tools, ensuring you have the right fit for your needs. Say goodbye to the hassle of draining your entire water system. Our product allows you to solder pipes efficiently, saving you time and effort. Experience the power of immediate sealing. These inline temporary plugs hold up to 65 pounds of pressure instantly, providing reliable performance. Designed for versatility, it works seamlessly with most pipe types. This includes copper, PVC, black, steel, and stainless steel pipes. Get the job done right with this reliable solution. It's engineered for efficiency, making your plumbing tasks simpler and more effective. What we like. For existing Jet Swet owners who need to maintain their tools, this replacement gasket kit is essential. If you want to ensure your current tools continue to perform optimally and reliably, especially for live waterline repairs on various pipe types, this is the perfect purchase. It's for those who value longevity and consistent performance from their plumbing equipment. What people say. The Jet Swet Kit is a great addition to my car. It is easy to install and use. The kit comes with all the necessary parts and instructions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.